Reading faster does not equal to skimming. Reading faster does not mean rushing or skimming. It means reading smarter. True speed reading keeps comprehension intact while reducing wasted motion and mental drift. The goal is not to finish faster, it's to absorb more in less time. This video shows how to unlock that skill and make reading feel effortless again. Speed reading techniques. Three proven tools can double your reading speed. First, pointer method. Guide your eyes with a pen or finger. Second, chunking. Read words in group, not individually. Third, regression reduction. Train your brain to stop reading. Together, these techniques streamline your focus, eliminate mental backtracking, and build consistent speed over time. Eye exercise and pacing drills. Your eyes tire easily without training. Simple drills like left to right, succeeds or pacing along a line help build endurance and precision. Practice shifting focus quickly across text and use a metronome to build rhythm. These exercises improve eye agility, reduce fatigue, and train you to read longer with less strain. Live demos. Test yourself now. Time how long it takes to read one standard page. Then apply the pointer method and chunking read again. Most people gain 20 to 50% speed instantly. Adjusting pace to sweet content, faster for fiction, slower for complex material. Time helps track progress and keeps your growth measurable and motivating. Setting purpose. Why you are reading this book. Before opening any book, ask why I am reading this. Clarity sharpens focus. Are you reading to learn, escape, or grow? Knowing your goal helps filter distractions, skip fillers, and retain key ideas. Purpose returns passive readings into active learning and saves hours of wasted time. Using table of content and intros to preview. The table of contents is your roadmap. Skim it along with the introduction to understand the book's structure and message. This preview helps you prioritize chapters, set expectations, and connect ideas faster. Think of it like scouting a trail before hiking. It saves energy and confusion later. The SQ3R method. Survey, question, read, recite, review. SQ3R supercharges comprehension. Survey the chapter. Question what you want to learn. Read actively. Recite key points aloud. Review regularly. These 5-step methods moves info from short-term to long-term memory. It transforms reading from passive scanning into intentional understanding. Note taking and highlighting efficiently. Don't underline everything, highlight only key insights. Use symbols or color codes: green for action items, yellow for big ideas. Jot margin notes or use sticky tapes. Focus on why a quota matters. Efficient notes help you reflect faster and make reviewing the book feel effortless later. Active recall and spaced repetition. Reading is not enough, remembering is what counts. After reading, close the book and recall key ideas from memory. Then review them again after a day, a week, a month. This is spaced repetition. It strengthens long term retention by timing reviews when your memory starts to fade. Forgetting less means learning more for longer. Summarizing and teaching what you read. If you can't teach it, you understand it. Summarizing forces you to organize thoughts clearly. Try explaining the book's core ideas to a friend or write a quick review. Teaching turns passive knowledge into active understanding. It reveals gaps and strengthens recall. Reading becomes learning the moment you pass it on. Building note or mind maps. Forget scattering highlights. Use a mind map to build a map of ideas. Mind map is a note system that links concepts across book. Mind maps visually connect themes. These tools don't just store information, they help you generate new thoughts by linking insights across everything you need. Transfer knowledge to daily life. Books should not stay on the page. Ask how does this apply to my life? Use insights in conversation, journaling, or decision making. Apply one idea within 24 hours. Reading without application is entertainment. Reading with action is transformation. Knowledge sticks when it moves from theory to practice, from yourself to yourself.